Welcome to Minexa.ai. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to scrape vehicle listings from motors.co.uk and turn them into clean, structured data, no matter your experience level. Go to the motors.co.uk page, where the vehicle listings are fully loaded. That's the only thing you need before starting extraction. Now open the Minexa.ai extension by clicking its icon at the top of your browser to get started. With the panel open, click the violet button that says I'm on the right page. Minexa.ai will then analyze the layout and detect the vehicle listings automatically. Pagination is locked in, so the full set of results across all pages is ready for extraction with just a click. You can choose to scrape just the list, or also extract details from each vehicle's individual page. If there's nothing extra to click or fill before results appear, just click Continue. Otherwise, use the advanced option to customize. See that highlighted block? Click Create Scraper, and Minexa.ai learns every field automatically from the vehicle listings. Every data field is ready. Minexa.ai even found hidden details like vehicle images, prices, and specs that you might never have noticed on the page. Developers can click the API request button to get ready-made Python code for integration, without any language model processing per page. Click Complete Configuration to finalize and save your scraper setup. The pagination button is already selected for you. Adjust it if needed, or simply continue to the next step. Almost there. You can optionally schedule this scraping job or connect Google Sheets. Then click to create it. The last step is to click Run and let Minexa.ai extract data across all pages automatically. Look at the extracted data rows. Minexa.ai captures hidden attributes and image links, along with visible info like make, model, price, mileage, and year, giving you a rich, complete dataset. Download your results now. Every vehicle listing is neatly arranged as its own row, ready for your analysis or reporting. That is Minexa.ai. Clean data from any website in minutes, and for developers, it's up to hundreds of times cheaper than using LLMs at scale. Visit Minexa.ai to get started today.